Are you wondering which cloud storage service is better for you? Today, we are comparing Nextcloud and OneDrive. Both of these tools help you store files online and share them with others. They both offer easy access to your documents from anywhere, anytime, but they have some key differences. Let's start with Nextcloud. This is an open source platform. It gives you complete control over your data. You can host it on your own server, which is great for privacy. Nextcloud also has lots of features like file syncing, document editing, and collaboration tools. Plus, you can add apps to customize it to your needs. Now, let's talk about OneDrive. This service is part of Microsoft 365. It's very user friendly and integrates well with other Microsoft products like Word and Excel. OneDrive is great for people who already use Microsoft tools. It also offers strong security features, including file encryption and recovery options. So, what are the main differences? First, control. Nextcloud gives you full control over your data, while OneDrive is cloud based and managed by Microsoft. Second, integration. OneDrive works seamlessly with Microsoft apps, whereas Nextcloud offers flexibility with third party apps. Lastly, pricing. OneDrive usually comes with a subscription fee, but Nextcloud can be free if you host it yourself. When it comes to features, both have strong file sharing and collaboration tools. Nextcloud shines with its customization options, while OneDrive excels in ease of use and integration with Microsoft services. In terms of pricing, OneDrive generally requires a subscription, while Nextcloud can be free if you set it up on your own server. So, who should choose what? If you want control and customization, go for Nextcloud. But if you prefer convenience and integration with Microsoft products, OneDrive is your best bet. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.